Hey there, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny, and today we're in the garden. And I thought I would show you what happened last night. We had some weather change. It's a little bit chilly outside today. The wind has blown the plastic off of my tomato bed right here. So I thought I'd show you guys what's happened in the few weeks that I've had them covered. Look, y'all. Look at those red tomatoes. I am so stinking excited. Now, some of them are just blushing, but I'm going to pick all of these off tonight. The bushes are starting to look really bad. If you'll notice here, it's blight is what that is. And it's normal when the bushes start getting older. And it's just about time to give up. But what's so sad is look at that whole branch of tomatoes there. And there's a couple more over here. There's a beautiful one right there trying to turn. And look at these. So I may try to keep them under cover for another few days. But more than likely what I'll do is just pick these. That one's got a little crack in it. Let's see how many we can get. Oh, I set it right down in an ant bed, y'all. Look. Don't want to disturb the fire ants because they are vicious. And they hurt like the blazes when they sting. Look at that one. That one's really pretty right there. That's a good size. Well, I see more green ones than red ones. So I am going to cover them up for another week or so and see how many red ones I can get off of there. But look at this. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of them. And that was worth it. I've got one more thing I want to show you guys before I end this video. And it's this black container here. It's called a geo bin. And this is what I have my compost in. Lots of dead leaves, stuff from the kitchen. And it comes rolled up from Amazon. And what you do is, it has these little things here. I don't know what you call them, but they're clips of some sort. You stick it in there through both sides. And then you turn it like this, and it locks that together, see? And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 5 of these clips. And it makes this seam here. Now, I put these fence posts, there's 4 of them on the inside. That was not necessary. It will stand up once it gets full enough. But the reason I did it is because I have this tarp to go over the top. I use these clamps here to clamp the tarp on. And that's my compost bin. Now you can get this geo bin on Amazon, and I think I paid around $30 for it. And it was well worth it to me because this holds a ton of compost. It's about 3.5 feet tall, and I believe it's probably 4 feet in diameter, give or take. But I'll leave a link in the description below so that you guys can access it if you want to. Look at Dave. Look, remember all my videos where I said, that's not my cat? Well, I think he's become our cat. My daughter has named him Dave, and he is the current garden cat. Dave, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty. He was a oh, you want some attention? Come here, come here. Come here, little guy. See, look how friendly he is. Even though all he wants to do is smell me. Oh, he's a good boy. But anyhow, he showed up here one day, and my daughter fell in love with him. So, Dave, you're a new member of the family, officially. Oh, geez, what have I done? So that's what we've got going on in the garden for December. Not a lot, because everything's growing very slowly. But I did have the tomatoes, and I wanted to show off that compost bin because it's really been a blessing. Unlike the dogs across the street that can't stop barking. Oh, the hazards of filming outside in a neighborhood, right? Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?